Hello, everyone.
Hi, welcome back.
Welcome to our English podcast.
We are happy you are here.
Today, we have a very useful lesson.
Yes, very useful for daily life.
Today's topic is asking questions in English.
And answering questions, naturally.
This is very important.
Yes, we use questions every day.
At work,
At school,
with friends.
everywhere.
So stay with us.
We will make it easy.
And fun.
Yes, fun too. Before we start,
Quick small thing.
if you like learning English with us,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Lily, what is a question?
Good question. Yes. Yes, a question is when you ask something.
You want information.
Yes, you want an answer.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Let's learn some common questions.
Yes, listen and repeat.
What is your name?
What is your name? My name is Lily.
Good. Where are you from?
Where are you from? I am from the UK.
Very good. What do you do?
What do you do? I am a student.
Nice.
Now, let's make short answers.
Yes, short and easy. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Are you happy?
Yes, I am. Or no, I am not.
Very good.
Where do you live?
I live in a city.
Where do you live?
Let's make a real conversation.
Yes, listen carefully.
Hi,
Hello.
what is your name?
My name is Lily. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't.
Nice. Very easy, right?
Now it's your turn.
Answer the questions. What is your name?
Good. Where are you from?
Nice. Do you like coffee?
Great. What do you do?
Amazing.
Let's fix some mistakes.
Some people say, you are from where?
Not correct. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Another mistake. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like.
Not complete. Yes, I do.
Simple is better.
Always simple. Repeat after us. What is your name?
Where are you from?
Do you like coffee?
What do you do?
Very good.
You are improving. Great job today.
Yes, really great.
Now you can ask questions in English.
That is a big step.
Tell us in the comments.
Yes.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
And do you like coffee?
We want to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.